Today we're gonna make some cheese curds. Okay, so today I am going to show you how to make some cheese curds. I want to say ahead of time really quick, I have made mozzarella cheese sticks before, and normally I just use string cheese. It's so easy. You just take a little string cheese, cut it in half, or cut it, you know, as thin as you want, and then follow the directions that I'm about to show you. You could just use string cheese, but the other day I was craving cheese sticks, and all I had was bags of shredded cheese. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try this. And it worked out perfectly. They turned out delicious. So I'm going to show you how to make them. So the difference in these and regular just mozzarella sticks is mozzarella sticks is a little longer, but these are going to be like little cheese curds, like little cheese turds. You're gonna need some flour, some Italian style panko breadcrumbs, some seasonings, you know, garlic powder, onion powder, some salt. Beat 2 eggs together, and then you're going to take your shredded cheese. And I know this looks kind of easy, but it looks easier than it is. It's kind of frustrating, kind of hard, but it's worth it in the end for the little cheese curds. So basically what I'm doing is picking up the shredded cheese and forming it into a little ball. Just picking up those little shreds of cheese, smushing them together. See me smushy, smushy. Just smush them together with your fingers and form a little ball, and that's all you gotta do. Not sure if you can tell right now, but I'm actually doing 2 different cheeses. One bowl has mozzarella, and then the other one has a Mexican blend of cheese, because I wanted there to be 2 different types of cheese curds. Next thing you're gonna do is put a little seasonings in your flour just to give some flavor. Then I'm gonna take the cheese curds and I'm going to dip it in the flour first, cover it in flour. And then you're going to put it in your egg mixture. Make sure it's completely covered in the egg. And then you're going to put it in your panko breadcrumbs. And then you're actually going to repeat this process for each piece. So flour, egg, panko. And then you're going to do panko, egg, panko. So you're just going to double it. So here's what they look like before I cook them. Now I'm going to put a little oil in my pan. I'm going to cut the fire on, heat that oil up. Hey girl, hey. Then you're just going to put your cheese curds in your frying pan, and you're going to fry them and keep a good eye on them and watch them now. Don't let them burn. Is take some little pinchers, whatever you call them things, and then turn them on their side. So when they start getting golden on one side, just flip them. Keep flipping them until they're kind of golden all around. See, they're looking pretty good now. So just keep turning them, let them evenly cook, and voila, there you go. Serve them with some marinara and eat them up. Now I'm just showing you the rest of what I cooked tonight. Some garlic butter rice, some buffalo chicken strips, and cheese curds. So that was our meal tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was easy to understand, and I'll see you next time.